Today we will discuss about relaxation method, and we will show you then how this method works. First of all, in this method we have to have a solution, we have to have an equation, and we have to find the root of that equation. So first of all, we have to convert the given equation in the form x is equal to f of x. Let's say x is equal to 2 minus e raised to minus x. The next step is to find a test solution. Let's say in this problem we put x is equal to 0.5, and we put x is equal to 0.5 on the right hand side of this equation and get its left hand side, and that value, that is the value obtained in the left hand side, we again put that value in the right hand side and get another solution of x. Like this we have iterate suppose 10 number of times, and the theory says that after some iteration, the equation will converge into its roots. That is how a relaxation method works. And let's now look at how we can implement using Python. First of all, we have to import numpy, and I am importing numpy as np. The next step is to define the function, that is we have to find roots. So let's say function of x, and yeah, you have to return this f of x is equal to 2 minus e raised to minus x. So we have writing like this, and we have to return the right hand side of this equation. Let's say x is equal to 0.5, that is the test solution, that is we assume the solution to be 0.5, and for I in the range, that is the number of times we have to iterate this equation. I'm putting, let's say 10, 0 to 10. Yes, and what here we will do is, for each I value we are finding the x value, and the obtained RHS value we are putting again in the right hand side and finding again the solution. Yeah, we can see, first of all, starting with 1.39, 1.7, and after some steps the solution almost looks similar. Yeah, and we find when we change the number of steps, yeah, the solution will more and more converges to one particular value. That value is the root of the given equation.